Hello, everyone. Welcome to this guided meditation. True happiness can be found within, cultivated through our own actions and intentions. By nurturing our inner world, we can become more resilient, compassionate, and free from negative influences. And we can achieve this by practicing loving kindness meditation. This ancient Buddhist meditation, known as Metta in Pali and Maitri in Sanskrit, fosters feelings of goodwill, warmth, and kindness towards oneself and others. It can enhance inner peace, reduce stress, and cultivate greater compassion in our lives. The practice itself is the repetition of these traditional phrases: may I be safe, may I be healthy, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. We begin with ourselves, then extend loving kindness to a loved one, a neutral person, and then to the best of our abilities, we offer well wishes to someone we find difficult. And lastly, we give the force of loving kindness to all beings on this earth. It might seem strange at first, but allow yourself to experiment with these phrases and see what happens. When repeating these phrases, it's helpful to recall a positive experience, something that brings you warmth, or even a tiny glimmer of joy, like being with a person or a pet, or perhaps the sense of peace or contentment you feel while gardening or working on your hobby, or that lovely fuzzy feeling you get when you hear your favorite song. These are the feelings we try to recreate within ourselves when we practice this meditation. Keep in mind that it's completely natural if you find yourself struggling with this practice. Past experiences that were challenging or traumatic can sometimes make it difficult to access feelings of self-compassion. Acknowledge your experience with kindness and understanding, and know that you are worthy of loving kindness just as you are. Some days it may feel easier than others. Remember to be patient with yourself, and know that even small amounts of kindness can have a profound impact. So with all that in mind, let's practice together. Find a comfortable seated position with an upright spine and a relaxed torso. You can also lie down if sitting is uncomfortable. Feel your whole body, bringing your attention to yourself. You can take a few deep breaths as a way to arrive, settle in, and release any obvious or hidden tension. Breathing in deeply, breathing out fully. Breathing in through the nose, you can sigh the exhale out through the mouth. Allow yourself to be relaxed. Begin by offering loving kindness to yourself by saying silently, may I be safe, may I be healthy, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. Repeat the phrases slowly and gently, savoring the intention behind each one. May I be safe, may I be healthy, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. Here the anchor is not your breath, but the repetition of these traditional phrases. Gather all of your concentrated attention behind one phrase at a time, and I'll repeat them again. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Imagine your heart as a radiant sun, emanating warmth and compassion in all directions. As you repeat the phrases, try to create a wave or flow of energy. Wave after wave, allow the force of loving kindness to broaden and build. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Notice any resistance or even discomfort potentially arising. This is perfectly natural. Gently acknowledge these feelings and return your attention to the phrases. Remember, you are worthy of loving kindness just as you are. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Your attention may wander away to feelings, thoughts, or memories, and that's okay. When you become aware that you're no longer focused on the phrases, simply let go of the distractions and begin again, focusing on each phrase slowly and mindfully with so much intention. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now gently shift your attention to someone you care about deeply, a family member, a friend, or a pet. See them in your mind's eye. Get a feeling for their presence and offer them these wishes. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. Thoughts, feelings, or memories may arise when you're picturing your chosen person. Allow them to arise, linger, and pass away as your attention steadies on the repetition of these phrases. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. Now direct your attention to someone you feel neutral towards, a colleague, a neighbor, someone you encounter now and then. Perhaps you don't even know their name. And even though you may not have a close relationship with this person, you can still wish them well, with the understanding that they too are human, subject to suffering just as you are. See them in your mind's eye. Get a feeling for their presence and wish them the phrases, "May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be peaceful." Now direct your attention to someone who may have caused you some difficulty in the past, someone you have trouble getting along with, or whose words or actions are difficult for you. This may feel uncomfortable, and that's perfectly normal. If it's too hard, then simply go back to sending loving kindness towards yourself. This does not have to be the most difficult person. It's best to start with someone with whom you've had some minor disagreements or differences. I wouldn't advise that you start with your most challenging relationship. See them in your mind's eye. Get a feeling for their presence and wish them the phrases, "May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be peaceful." Finally, extend this feeling of loving kindness to all beings everywhere, all people, all creatures, all those in existence, known and unknown, near and far. May all beings be safe. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be happy. May all beings be peaceful. feel really good about practicing loving kindness in this session today. Take a moment to acknowledge the feelings that arose during this practice. You may have experienced warmth, compassion, perhaps sadness, or even resistance. All of those experiences are valid. Continue to practice Metta meditation regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. The more you practice, the easier it will become to cultivate these feelings of loving kindness. Thank you for practicing with me today. May you be safe, healthy, happy, and peaceful.